Okay, now already you have written this part, and they have different angular momentum. Thus within the same cell, a number of subcells are present, and that is why you will get different energy. A number of subcells are present. This quantum number gives the information about the subcells present in the main cell. So you have got the first quantum number gives, the principal quantum number gives the idea about the cells, and this quantum number, angular momentum quantum number, this represent the subcells present in the main cell. So atom contain a main cell, and inside that cell some smaller cells are present which are called subcell, and this azimuthal quantum number represent that subcells. Now I tell you about the name of the subcell. And first cell contain how many subcell, what is the name of the subcell. Second cell contain how many subcells, what are the name of the subcells. So I will tell you everything. And to determine the number of subcells, first time you should know about the principal quantum number value. What is the value of n? First time you should know about the main cell. Then you can find out the value of L also. So now I will find out the value of L. Value of this azimuthal quantum number. So how you have to find out? Always you remember, for a given value of n, for a given value of n, L can have any integral value from 0, 1, 2 like this up to you will get n minus 1. So you have got n value start from 1, but L value start from 0. Always you remember, n value start from 1, L value start from 0. Now suppose n value is 1. What represent this? N value 1 means it represent the first cell. So what is the value of n? 1. That means you will get 1 value of L. If n value is 2, you will get 2 values of L. If n value is 3, you will get 3 values of L. If n value is 4, you will get 4 values of L, like that. So first time n is equal 1, first cell. If n equal 1, you will get 1 value of L, and that value, value start from 0 na. 1 value means the value should be 0. 1 value you will get, and the value is 0. For n equal 2 means it represents second cell. So n equal 2 means you will get 2 values of L, and the value should be, one is 0, one is 1, because it always start from 0. One value is 0, another value is 1. You will get 2 values. If n value is 2, you will get 2 L values. Similarly, if n value is 3, L value should be 0, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3 value. N value is 3, that's why you have got 3 values, and value should be 0, 1, 2. Similarly, if n is equal 4, you will get 4 values of 4 values of L. Value should be 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the 4 values. So like this way you can find out the value of L if you know the value of n. Now, here I have given L value start from 0 and it will end with what? N minus 1. Let's see here, what is the value of n? 2. That's why value up to 1. I mean n minus 1. Here n value is 3. Last value is what? 2. I mean n minus 1. That's why it start from 0 up to n minus 1. So if the n value is 2, you will get 2 values. If the n value is 3, you will get 3 values. If the n value is 4, you will get 4 values. Depending on the value of n, you will get the values of L. Now, in first cell, how many values we have got? One value, that means one subcell present. One value represent one subcell. Here you have got two values, that means two subcells present. In third cell, n equal 3, 3 values you have got, that means third cell contain 3 subcells. In n equal 4, you have got 4 values, I mean 4 subcells are present. Now, what are the name of the subcells? Always remember, there are some name of the subcell. If L value is 0, the subcell is represented by S subcell. If L value is 1, the subcell name is called P subcell. If L value is 2, subcell name is called D subcell. And if L value is 3, subcell name is called F subcell. So always remember, L value 0 means S subcell, L value 1 means P subcell, L value 2 means D subcell, L value 3 means F subcell. Now here n equal 1, L equal what? 0. L equal 0 means what subcell? The subcell is S subcell. So first cell contain S subcell. Second cell contain 2 values. What are these? One is 0, one is 1. 0 means S subcell, 1 means P subcell. So these are present in second cell. In the third cell, 0 I mean S, 1 that means P, 2 that means D. These are the 3 subcells present. And in fourth cell there are 4 values. 0 means S, 1 means P, 2 means D, 3 means F subcell. So 4 subcells are present. Now you have got, this is the important thing, every cell contain S. First cell, second cell, third cell, fourth cell, every cell contain S subcell. So if I asked you, an electron is present in S subcell, so how do you identify which S? First cell S, second cell S, third cell S or fourth cell S? That is why to represent the subcell, since this S is first cell S, that's why it represents as 1S. I mean you have to mention the value of n also, then you can find out in which cell this S is present. Similarly for 2, the subcell is represented by 2S, 2P. For third cell it represented by 3S, 3P, 3D. And for fourth cell similarly it is called 4S, 4P, 4D, 4F. So like this the subcells are named. So first cell contain only one subcell, that is 1S. Second cell contain 2 subcell, 2S, 2P. Third cell contain 3 subcell, 3S, 3P, 3D. Fourth cell contain 4 subcell, 4S, 4P, 4D and 4F. So like this way you can find out how many subcells present in the main cell. Now, if I give you like this, suppose n equal 3, L equal 2. What is the name of subcell? This type of question asked in your exam. N value is 3, L value is 2. As you know, 2 means D subcell. And this is third cell. That's why the subcell is named as 3D. Suppose N value is 4, L value is 0. What is the name of the subcell? L0 means S subcell. And it is in fourth cell. That's why you have to represent as 4S. So like this way, if you know about the value of N and the value of L, then you can name the subcell. But all subcells are not possible. As for example, N equal 3, L equal 3. The subcell is, it should be 3F, but it does not exist. Why? Because you know, if N equal 3, then you will get 3 values of L and the values should be 0, 1 and 2. So L value, it should not be 3. So that is why that type of quantum number also may given. Then you have to write this subcell does not exist. So this is the process how to find out the subcell, how to find out the number of subcells present in the main cell. So I think you have got the idea about the subcell, how to find out. Thank you.